Why can't we find it? Wait! Scream so loud that you'll be heard by the entire town. Aloha, I'm Shay.
I'm Wyatt, and
We are Ohana Boys. If you guys came to this video first, go check out the other one, the one before this, because it will explain how we got in here. Our parents made a toilet fort, and we're gonna sneak into it and give you guys
a toilet paper
a toilet paper fort. And we're gonna sneak in so you guys can get a sneak peek. And we might hide there for 24 hours so we don't have to do our chores.
24 hours later.
My eyes hurt so much.
I'm still dying.
Me too. I think we've survived 24 hours. Let's go. What?
Uh-oh.
Where in the world
Do we get out?
is the door? Check. Where is it?
It's like in movies.
Maybe it's like in movies. Wait, it goes in and go out. Okay. Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Wait, Shay, found something.
What is it?
To find a way
To find a way out of this place, move the 15th roll out of place. The 15th roll? Oh no. Yeah. The wall closed in on us. So, we came in this awesome toilet paper fort to get out of our chores, but no one knows that yet. And then everyone left and we got stuck in here for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Go check that video out. We'll link it in the description below. But we are in here for 24 hours. And then when we went to bed and we woke up, the wall was closed in on us. We don't even know where the door was.
And we found this
But-
clue.
Yes, we did find this clue.
said-
It says, to find a way out of this place, move the 15th roll out of place. What does that mean? 15th roll.
Maybe
Let's start
15th.
counting. Yeah, maybe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10, not on this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait,
6, 7.
it said specific rolls, not packs, rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Come on, that's 18. 1, 2. You counting?
Oh,
Wyatt?
this one's by 15. Nothing.
Nothing. Darn it.
Not right here.
Do we have to open a roll? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
15. I found one.
Okay,
Oh,
one.
this one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Wait! Guys, we found a way. Oh no.
Not a way.
Well,
Not a clue.
oh good.
Yeah.
Unravel me to the end of the line. Your last clue you then will find. Unravel
Maybe
what
it's
roll?
The same roll?
Wait, unravel me. Let's start unrolling all of them. The ones that are open, okay?
I'm
Okay.
gonna find all the rolls.
First roll to
The single
unravel.
roll. Got one, another single roll.
Okay. Nope, not in that one.
There's lots of single rolls. That one. Oh, another single roll.
I don't think it's the one that are like taped together.
'Cause how would it get in there?
Yeah. No, not that one. Nope. Taped together. No.
Yes, Maybe. I hope it's this one.
Darn it, nope. What all of them? Okay, guys, we've been unrolling so much. I don't know what it is. Why can't we find it? Hey, you pull.
I don't see anything.
Me either.
Nope.
Nope. Where is it? Try this one.
Okay, now start to have some fun with it. Like, just start like literally pulling the toilet paper and the roll on the ground and just keep pulling it and have toilet paper going everywhere.
Woo!
Ready? Go, Wyatt, you too.
Can't find anything. Oh.
Oh!
Whoa, why can't we find anything?
Let's fly!
Whoa.
Go over there, and more over there.
Over
yes,
here.
for you.
Where is it? Wait, Wyatt. We should be looking for the clue. Because what if they're going on another trip?
Yeah.
Why can't we find it? This is all a piece of junk. Is there any other roll we can find without finding it? Without unrolling it?
Oh no.
Check everywhere. Wait, didn't it say unroll me?
Not you, but the roll.
Where is that roll? Let's try checking. Oh no, didn't we pull out all the rolls? Wait, you didn't use that one.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know this one. Come on, please be it. Wait. Let me try.
Maybe you have the lucky hands.
Whoa! Okay, we got it. Okay. Scream so loud that you'll be heard by the entire town. That's how you get these walls to fall down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we finally got out of the escape room. Woo! But they're still not home, so I think we should stack all of it up so they don't notice.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Give a big thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what forts you guys love to do.
Yeah.
And give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Shock us out.